Spoilage of food and beverages is inherent. Some of the reasons of spoilage being contamination, weather conditions, human error, and spoilage affects food and beverage costing. In the F&B module, spoilage can be recorded using the option of post spoilage. You can choose to post spoilage of ingredients or recipes by clicking the option. Select the date on which you have to post the spoilage. Click the search button. Enter the ingredients by selecting from the drop-down list. Enter the quantity for spoilage. Click on the Save button. This will temporarily save the information you have entered. However, to book the spoilage you have to click on the Process button. Similarly, to post the spoilage of a recipe, select the option of recipe and follow the same steps as in case of ingredients. The report on spoilage can be printed from the F&B reports screen. Enter the date range for which you wish to print the report, and select the option of all. The report displays all the spoilage transactions posted.